Hello everyone, I chose the abstract wave effect tutorial, which had a total of 10 steps, which was fairly easy for me to complete. So I first selected an image by Alexander Steinhoff, and I had cropped it to an 8.5 by 11. Once we cropped the image, I then wanted to have another layer for me to actually edit rather than just the image itself. So when I created a new layer, a transparent layer actually, I was then able to apply the filters. And the filters we applied were to render the image and apply kind of a cloud effect to it. So we did that by going to the filter and selecting clouds and solid noise. We also repeated the same steps except of selecting solid noise, we selected a different clouds. Once we completed that, it gave us kind of a more darker effect rather than a balance of a gray scale, I would say. Now for steps 4 through 8, we are going to adjust the image and its color levels under the color menu. Once we are under the color menu, we are going to select levels and apply brighter sections without entirely removing the black and grays by adjusting the scales given. Once we do that, we are going to want to go under filters and apply some blur to the image by adjusting the angle to 60. Adjusting the angle to 60, we will then distort the image with the whirl and pinch effect and apply an angle of 160. After pinching the image, we will repeat the same step and distort it, but adjust this angle to -400. So for our last few steps, we will be focusing on the blend mode and adjusting the different channels within the color levels. So we will just change our blend mode to light and only, which allows us to then edit the images together by combining them. And it's pretty cool to me how you're able to edit them both at the same time. So here we are going to go to colors again and adjust the levels, except this time we'll adjust the different color channels. I played around with them a bit just to see kind of which colors were in green, which colors were in blue, and until I was satisfied with my image, I then adjusted either the brightness and contrast just so that it can kind of amplify one picture more than the other. And once that was completed, I would say that this tutorial was simply easy, and thank you for watching.